Hello guys, I'm Judy and welcome to Justan World TV. So guys, I'm going to remove the pan for you to see the cake. So I'm trying to smooth the cake. For this recipe, we are using 150 grams of raspberries, 150 grams of blueberries, 80 grams of sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 350 grams of butter, 150 mils of milk, 600 mils of heavy cream, 100 mils of cottage cheese. Those are the ingredients we'll be using to prepare this recipe. Then I will also blend this digestive biscuit into powder form. So I'm going to melt this butter. So I'm blending. I'm going to blend the biscuits. So I have finished to blend. This is the digestive biscuit. So this is my melted butter. And so I'm gonna combine the digestive biscuit with the butter together. So I'll transfer the paste, the butter into the pan. Gently. So I've finished to lay the first layer. See how it looks. So I'm gonna blend. So I'm gonna whisk the cheese cream. I will add the sugar. And see the brown sugar, my vanilla extract, and still whisk. In another bowl, I will add the heavy cream. I'm adding. I will then whisk. So I've finished to whip the cream. So I'm going to add the milk to the cream before combining the cheese and the heavy cream together this way. I'm adding it little by little. So the cheese this way. Then our food. So I will start laying. Nice on flour. Then I will add the remaining batter. The remaining of this, I will spray it on top this way. Now it's going to be spray method. You spread on top. Spread on top. Yeah, another cream so that now you finish to lay the remaining cream. You start decorating with the berries. So how we're gonna do our decoration and do something like this. You can choose to decorate any style of your choice. This is what I'm doing. So this is how I decorated the cake. I'll pop it into the fridge overnight. Then tomorrow I will bring it up for you to see the final look. Wow, look at that. So I'm going to open the cake for you to see. So guys, I'm going to remove the pan for you to see the cake. Our boss cake. Wow, look at that. So I'm trying to smooth the cake. So guys, our berries ice box cake is ready.